Welcome to the ninth lecture. This ninth lecture, right? What we'll see today, we'll just look after in this lecture. In this lecture, we'll see the procedure to run the traversal, right? Traversing the total station. Total station can be used in any type of preliminary survey, control survey, or layout surveys. They are particularly well suited for a topographic survey in which the surveyor can capture northing, right, southing, and elevation. It is southing, sorry, typing mistake is there, and elevations of a larger point up to 700 to 1000 points per day it can calculate, right? So what we're going to do is, the main advantage of using the total station for traversing is that the angles and the distance are get simultaneously at each station, right? This can reduce the time taken for a, because once you bisect the target, you will get the angle also, you will get the distance also with respect to the previous point, and with respect to the previous line. If you want to understand, if this is your starting point, right, and you know the you have done all the temporary adjustments and orientationing of that point, what you will do, you will start with the if this is your point A, this is your point B, C, and D along the length of the river, right? If there is a river here, this is how the river is flowing, right? So what you will do, you will take this distance, right? You will measure this distance, you will keep the you are going to keep the staff here and hole here, and you are going to bisect it. Again, you are going to keep the change the instrumentation and bring the instrument to the point B, right? And you are going to you are going to again bisect the point B, right? You will get the distance and the angle, right? You get this angle, right? So once you get the angle, you are going to shift the station here at the point B, right? And you are going to bisect point C with the help of the target. Again, you will get the angle and the distance, right? D2, D3, D1. The same way, you're going to set up the station at this point. Again, you're going to keep the target at the D point D, bisect it, and measure the distance D4. D4. And this will be your. This is how you are going to do. Same thing what you did in the total station theodolite, but say what is the difference here and there, as in the case of theodolite and the total station is, there the distance is to be measured manually with the help of tape or chain, right, between the 2 points. Here simultaneously we will get both the values, right?